Students, so welcome back to the channel. So we are going to start chapter 11, NCERT Plant Physiology, that is transport in plants. So see beta, plants need to move molecules over large distance, much more larger than the animals require. And they don't have any circulatory system also. They have to take the water from the root and they give it to the all part of the plants, okay? And the food which is prepared by the leaf has to be distributed to the all parts, including the root tip also, which is embedded deep inside the soil. So not only long distance they have to manage short distance also. So movement across short distance is also going on, that within the cell or across the membrane or from cell to cell within the tissue, this also takes place. So in case of the plants, there is a complex traffic movement is going on. Long distance movement is going on. Short distance movement is also going on. Now see beta, for this second paragraph, I'll just try to give you mind map. See, first of all, we should focus which substance we need to transport. Okay, substance we need to first to define what. First of all, we have to find the movement of which substance is going on, and then we have to tell which type of movement is going on. See beta, substance which are going on, they are actually water, mineral, nutrient, organic nutrient, and plant growth, PGR. So you can make a note. Let me make a note for you here. You can write here, material to be transported. Okay, so what you will write, which material are to be transported? You will write water, then mineral nutrient, then you will write organic nutrient, and next you will write, last is write PGR. So these are the material which need to be transported. Clear? Now, distance which they have to be traveled. Distance which they have to travel. So see here, because now distance which they have to travel. Over the small distance, it will be done with the help of diffusion. Small distance is done by diffusion and by cytoplasmic streaming, which is supplemented by active transport. So two types of distance can be, material has to be transported, either for small distance, okay beta, either for small distance or for large distance, or it is for the long distance. So now the small distance, how we are achieving it? Small distance movement is achieved with the help of diffusion and with the help of cytoplasmic streaming. For diffusion, always remember distance should be very small. And what is cytoplasmic streaming? It is a movement of cytoplasm around vacuole. For this, you just imagine this one diagram beta. This is your plant cell wall. Okay, just imagine this is cell wall and this is cell membrane. Clear beta? This is cell membrane, second one, innermost. Now inside this, you are drawing one vacuole. Let me draw, this is the vacuole. Clear? And we are finding now the movement of the cytoplasm around vacuole will be going on. So this is known as cytoplasmic streaming. Clear? So diffusion is a passive process. Diffusion is a passive process, and cytoplasmic streaming is an active process. It is done with the help of ATP. So please beta focus the board carefully beta. Over small distance, substance moved by diffusion. The diffusion you can write it is passive. And second method, you will write cytoplasmic streaming, which is helped by the active transport, means energy consumed. So I think so small distance is clear. Now for the large distance, if suppose the transport has to be done for long distance, then it will be done with the help of vascular system, that is xylem and phloem. And long distance transport is known as translocation. Clear beta? The long distance transport is known as translocation. So you can make here long distance is done with the help of xylem and phloem. Clear? And this long distance translocation, its transport is known as translocation. So I think so second paragraph, you have to remember two things. What are the materials to be transported and in which direction? How much distance they have to travel? Is it a small distance or is it a large distance? So I think so second paragraph explanation, all the points are clear to you, Peter. Now see, next important aspect, what we have to focus is the direction of transport. In which direction the transport is going on? Is it unidirectional or it is bidirectional or it is multidirectional? So now we will focus on the direction of transport. So direction of transport in vascular tissue. In vascular tissue means xylem and phloem. So first of all, xylem will follow only unidirectional transport. In the xylem, the transport will be always unidirectional. Clear, beta? And in the phloem, you will be saying it is bidirectional. Now, direction of the transport of organic nutrient. Direction of transport of nutrient of the biomolecules means organic, inorganic, and PGR. If you see beta, organic and mineral nutrient, they are going for bidirectional. Clear beta? They are going for bidirectional. I'm writing it down, please check it. Water and minerals, they are going unidirectional through xylem. Now please focus the board carefully. These all are nutrient bit. I'm writing organic nutrient and mineral nutrient. They are bidirectional transport is going on, but water and mineral ions, it is unidirectional is going on. And third is the PGR, plant growth regulator, which is a strictly polarized manner. It will be strictly in the polarized manner. Now let me highlight the point, see carefully. In rooted plants, transport in xylem, which is transporting water and mineral, it is unidirectional. Clear, beta? Organic and mineral nutrients, they undergo multi-directional transport. So I try to explain you direction of transport in vascular tissue and direction of the transport of the molecules. Up till here, clear, beta? Now see why we say organic nutrients and mineral nutrients goes for bidirectional. If you know better, organic nutrients, they will be prepared by the leaf. Leaf is preparing the food, which is translocated long distance. It might be going to the root tip also for the storage. And after that, when the second season start, let us assume for the root crop, first year they will be in the vegetative phase. They'll prepare the food, they'll store the food. Then in the second year, when they want to use the food, then this food will be remobilized and will be used by the developing buds or developing flower. So organic compound which is synthesized during photosynthesis are exported to all parts of the plant, including storage organ. So I gave you right now imagination, imagine the root crop. So first year they are storing in the storage organ. Now, second year from the storage organ, they can be again re-exported. So that is why we say organic compound, they go for bidirectional movement. Clear, beta? Now see next. Minerals, few mineral ions can be easily mobilized. The mineral ions which are easily mobilized, they will be removed from the older part to give to the supply to the younger part. So it means mineral ions will be also going for bidirectional movement. So see beta, the mineral nutrients which are taken up by the root, it is transported up into the stem, leaf, and the growing regions. When any plant part is dying, means undergoing senescence, then nutrients may be taken from it. I told you right now, the mineral nutrient which are mobile, they will be removed from the dead part, the older part, they'll be removed from the older part, and from there they will be moved to the growing part. That is why even the mineral nutrients are also going for bidirectional. So this paragraph tried to explain us what is the reason why in the phloem, the bidirectional, or you can say multidirectional concept is working of these two. Is it clear? It can be multidirectional. Hormones are strictly polarized. Hormones PGR, they are, and other chemical signals, they are transported though in the small quantity, but in the strictly polarized manner. Means you will say sometimes unidirectional also. Means from where they are synthesized to the plant part where they are using it. So thus we can say in flowering plant, there is complex traffic or compound moving in different directions, each organ receiving some substance and giving out some other. Clear, beta? Now let me give you the entire summary, what I discussed today. Now see, beta, this is the entire summary. I think so this presentation will help you to learn properly. Okay, beta, you can take a screenshot of it. You can learn this properly. What are the materials which to be transported? What are the distance they have to travel? Small distance or long distance? How will they achieve it? Directions in the vascular tissue. In the xylem, it is unidirectional. In the phloem, it is bidirectional. And direction of the molecules movement. Water and mineral, it is unidirectional. Organic and mineral nutrient, it is multidirectional. And for PGR, it is polarized or unidirectional. So I think so if you take a screenshot and you make a note of it, you are able to solve all the questions from this area which they are asking, okay, from these areas. Thanks for watching, beta. Thank you.